just a quick video here to show you how easy it is to transform any standard Phoenix TOF probe. This one's got an M12 thread on it. It's a 5 megahertz, 6mm diameter, into a delay line probe. So you just simply screw on this collar, which contains the delay line, screw it on nice and tight, and there you have a nice simple delay line probe. The standard delay line, which you can see here. We also have a high temperature delay line, slightly different colour, but this delay line, pop it in the collar, will allow you to go up to temperature of around 120 degrees Celsius. So you just screw that on there, and there you have a nice simple high temperature delay line on our TOF probe.